no sugar, no dairy has transformed my life, I would say. Like the way my energy levels went up, my skin started feeling, my body started responding was very different. I think sugar is so bad, so bad. And it is so surprising. My son, he's 10 years old. He's a big soccer fan. So he plays with BIFA, he trains with them. Um, he doesn't eat anything which has sugar in it.
Really?
And not like मैंने समझाया या मैंने सिखाया या मुझे तो इतनी लेट लाइफ में समझ में आया है कि शुगर नहीं लेना चाहिए.
तो ये कैसे उसको
But,
ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई?
पता नहीं कैसे ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई यार. I think it is because he's in that BIFA ecosystem. Everybody talks about health, fitness. He's a very big Ronaldo fan. So somewhere from there, his coach on what's the right food for you to eat. So for example, he by choice doesn't eat parantha. And I think this Gen Alpha is growing up so differently.
Yes.
They are so aware.
Oh God.
Yeah.
And that's
they know.
so good.
They're so conscious about what they eat. Like if I don't go to the gym, my son, you being lazy.
Like, हमें तो उस वक्त ये कार्ब, प्रोटीन, फैट्स भी नहीं पता थे. ये कुछ
nothing.
Basics भी नहीं पता थे.
Yeah. I have actually gotten to know a lot about it after I've had kids. So I've had like both of my pregnancies, I gained 30 kgs of weight. So even when I was in Shark Tank, I was pregnant.
You looked very different in Shark Tank.
Because I was 7 months pregnant and I was almost 28 kgs up from my usual weight. And मेरे साथ क्या होता है ना, even when I deliver, तो baby तो वही 2-2.5 किलो का आता है बाहर, बाकी सारा weight stays. So like the first time it happened, I was asking the doctor, I said, like, ये कहाँ जाएगा बाकी? What do I do with this? Because in your mind you feel the baby will come out and all the weight will be gone. And I've never seen myself fat, right? So it makes me very uncomfortable. So even at that time, and even with my second child, Ayan, in both the times, first time 30 kgs, second time 32 kgs. But like when you are aware and you take some of these right calls, then you're able to reverse it as well. I think 3 months after delivery, I was back to being, I went up till 83, 84 kgs. I was back to 70. And then after that, with these food habits, supplements, no sugar, no milk, etc. kind of diet, I've now come back to 63, 64. Wow. And now this I know is my safe. So 63, 64, 64.5 पे मेरे को discomfort होना शुरू हो जाता है. भाई ये इसके बाद बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. So like tell yourself, signals start coming in saying, boss, time to stop, pause, reflect, what is going wrong. Correct.
Then वो सब कुछ पीछे हो जाता है और सब priority 1 हो जाता है. फिर आपका routine and everything.
And I also know, like, if I go below 63, I start looking very bad. So I also know that it's not just one side कि कमी कम होने रहा है ना. You should come to a point where you're aware what is that comfort weight in which you look good, you feel good.
Right.
Because beyond that, then you also start losing energy and then you don't like आप पतले तो हो रहे हो and you're happy about it, but if you don't look good or feel good, it's not worth it.
Because some people, they go crazy about it.
Yeah.
कि एक बार lose करना start कर दे, they don't get satisfied.
Yes.
उनको लगता है कि नहीं अभी और भी करना है.
It's a rush के you just, but I don't think that's the right thing to do.
So it's a good point as well that you should know कहाँ पे रुकना है. And now start enjoying.
Yes, and more importantly, how you feel.
Yeah.
Keep a check on how are you feeling. If you're continuing to feel good as you're reducing weight, that's the best place to be.
Right.
If you feel that I'm reducing weight, but I'm feeling like,
it's not
I don't have energy, I don't have glow on my skin, I'm not able to do what I want to do, then you should also know it's not worth it.
Right. Absolutely.
What's off? What do we correct?
So आपके ये पूरे जो जर्नी आपने स्टार्ट की, all those changes जो आप अपनी लाइफ में लेकर आए, what was the source of all this knowledge? कहाँ से आप सीख रहे थे?
So I think after my first pregnancy, I actually joined a dietitian.
Okay.
I actually started working with her pre-pregnancy because my pregnancies were not as easy. So मेरे को ना iron supplement लेना होता है ना, iron and folic acid.
Yes.
Iron externally मैं ले नहीं पाती. So during pregnancy, I have to ensure that I'm eating food which is very, very rich in iron.
Okay.
So I still remember my doctor had put me on mutton diet to be cooked in a steel ka patila. And for 9 months, I had mutton for lunch and dinner.
Oh.
Because that was the only way I could get
You could
proper iron. Otherwise, iron nahi jata, baby ko blood supply nahi jata, and that becomes dangerous for baby's life. And external, like I would have tried at least 50 different external iron supplements. Nothing suits me till date. So that is where I started working with her. And then I realized that the way she's talking to me or educating me around food, it's something that I'm not aware. And I continued to work with her for 3 months more after delivery. But after that, मुझे basic समझ में आ गए थे. So when, you know, it also then generates curiosity. Then you start reading about it. Then you pick up books. Then you also Google. You test a lot of things. It started with that. And I think then health just became a priority for me. Because I knew that if I'm healthy, I'm able to do far more. Be it at work, be it in my personal life, be it for the people around me that I want to care for. Like early on, there were episodes when every year, possibly twice a year, I was getting hospitalized. It was
because of stress and too much work.
Yes. So like that stress, bad food habits, not working out, giving yourself excuses. बहुत बार हम, it's about the stories we tell ourselves, right? तो बहुत बार आप अपने आप को बोलते हैं यार मैं काम में बहुत बिजी हूँ, मेरे पास नहीं है इस चीज़ के लिए टाइम, I can't do it. या मेरे को स्ट्रेस इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है इसलिए मैंने खा लिया, मतलब I know I shouldn't have eaten it, but I ate.
Yeah.
How do you come out of that
emotional
loop
eating and
is very, very
things.
important, and that helped me do that.
I think that's exactly what we are trying to discuss here, because a lot of our viewers, they are stuck in this loop.
Yeah.
The very same loop of stress है, workload बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो खा लेते हैं, time नहीं है तो workout नहीं करते हैं. Let's just help them to understand कि शायद ये सब करके ही आपकी problems, यही सब problems का solution है.
Yeah, and absolutely. So वो मैंने पता है क्या किया था? I changed the narrative. I said बहुत ज़्यादा stress है यार, खा लिया. Identify. Stress है, अब तेरी body मांगेगी मीठा. Don't give it. Because that's like you're feeding that, you know, you're feeding something that you don't want to grow on you. So you become conscious. And जहाँ लगे कि भूख लगी है, eat nuts. चिप्स को रिप्लेस कर दो ना, नट्स रखो, बादाम रखो, पिस्ता रखो. मीठा खाने की क्रेविंग है, कोई बात नहीं, हैव लाइक दोज यू नो ब्लूबेरीज, ड्राइड ब्लूबेरीज, नेचुरल ब्लूबेरीज, नो प्रेजर्वेटिव्स, or have sogi. I eat a lot of that with my nuts every day I eat it, and that helps me
your sugar cravings as well.
Curbs.
अगर आप उठ के मॉर्निंग में ही खुद ही अगर कुछ रेजिन्स इस तरह की चीजें खा लोगे, डेट्स, dried apricots.
Yes.
I also
Anjeer. So healthy. Exactly. Such a superfood. You can incorporate that. And जो दूसरा चीज मैंने किया था ना, it is, I figured that it's a 20 second pang. So whenever my mind told me that I want to eat this cake, like backward count karo, 20 to 0.
Oh wow.
In that 20 to 0, your mind tells you not worth it. And then your mind gets trained. Then you don't have to actively think about it. The moment you will look at something, you will know, indulge. Yes. Is it worth it? And then some days are there when you feel it's worth it. Yeah, it's my birthday. It's worth it. It's my friend's wedding. It's worth it, right? I'm going out after 6 months. It's worth it. Then you eat it. Then you indulge. You consciously indulge. But your brain at least still signals you to weigh your options. And I think वहाँ से ना आप फिर correct
थोड़ा mindful हो जाते हो, and then gradually it becomes a habit.
Yeah.